Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Boyfriend Secretly Calls Police on Intoxicated Girlfriend Doesn't End Well by Inside the Blue TV.
Look to your right. Stop it.
A concerned boyfriend made a discreet decision. He secretly contacted police to have his girlfriend escorted out of a restaurant after she had too many drinks.
Did you call? Hey, my girlfriend's kind of drunk, so I'm trying to get her out of here.
Okay, who's your girl?
I'm trying to have kids, but I'm trying to set her down. She's good now.
Where's she at?
Right here in the blonde. The blonde right here to the right.
Okay, there's two blondes right there.
Oh, she ain't gonna never lay this shit down. She gonna talk about this every time they get into an argument.
The one with the sunglasses on looking at you.
Oh, okay, I got you. What
she
was
was
going
cussing
on?
in front of the kids, and I told her, hey, we got kids around here. I'm with her.
Okay, yeah.
And I told her to chill out, finish the drink, let's go.
Mm-hmm.
And if it has to do with something, maybe you can scare her or something.
So I talked to the people on that table that were the ones yelling. Okay, so what happened today?
Basically, what happened? She insults the kids. She called the kids bitches.
Which kids?
The kids go over there because all those girls are here. They work there. So the kids are there right now.
Okay.
That lady right there called the kids bitches. Hey, bitch, that's my table. So probably she's drunk or something, but she's being really unrespectful. So we already told her. We told her, hey, you need to be respectful. Please, if you know, you gotta leave. But she keep doing it. Actually, right now, she's keeping doing it. I don't know what happened in here now. But I don't know. Yeah, I think she needs to leave.
Hold your f***ing tongue.
Sorry.
Okay.
Hi.
Do you guys have IDs on you?
Not at the moment.
Yeah.
Not at the moment?
I have your first name.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Apparently I do.
Okay, I
It's
got you.
not a real ID. A real fucking ID. Ugh.
Watch your
It's
mouth.
A real ID has to be.
Do you know how much of a piece of you gotta be for your own boyfriend or girlfriend to call the cops on you?
What?
Your kids are in there.
Yeah.
So chill.
How much has she had to drink?
And she's still drinking.
Nothing. A couple beers.
Just a couple beers. She a lightweight? Is that what she's acting on? Okay.
We went
How much?
to get our nails done right here, and
Yeah.
I just went outside to get a beer.
How much have you had to drink?
It doesn't matter. Here it comes.
Maybe she
What?
Huh?
How much have you had to drink?
It doesn't matter.
It does.
Okay. So I.
So Kim,
That's our
Kim, what we
birthday.
have to do is calm down and let's go. Okay, so sip whatever you got left.
Well,
She don't even need to finish that.
let's not do that because here's the thing: you're really intoxicated, and it's one thing to do it inside of your home; it's another to do it out in public. Okay, it's actually against the law. Okay, you think that's a good idea?
Yeah.
You do.
This main divas.
I ain't gonna lie. If I buy a drink, I don't give a fuck how I'm acting. It's gonna get finished or I'm gonna take it with me.
Yeah, they did a great job on your nails. I'm just concerned about your level of intoxication.
It doesn't matter. I know.
Okay,
I fucking suck as a human.
well, that's not what I said.
That's kind of.
What's your last name, ma'am?
Bruning.
Her name's Kim.
What's my last name?
If you quit cussing, I might answer you. That's all I want you to do is quit cussing in front of kids. That's what the people are having.
Yeah, because other people are here trying to enjoy their Saturday.
Kids, that was the,
I absolutely. Not the good way.
we're gonna leave.
Not the good way.
I want you to talk to these officers. Talk to the officers.
What the fuck is she doing?
Do you realize what's happening right now, Kim?
It's her birthday.
Do you know what's happening right now? Look at your left. Look at your right. Stop it.
We've got a vehicle out of the roadway
Who the
parked
fuck
in the
is
northwest
Reverend? Act
corner
like
lot.
47 years old.
They're 30 Hill Street.
Damn, you can't talk like that to her in front of the cops though, bro.
76.
Are you their friend, kid?
I'm a friend. I'm the driver.
You're the driver?
Yeah.
Okay.
My
You're the only one that hasn't had anything to
kids
drink?
are in there.
You're the only one that hasn't had anything to drink?
Yeah. Oh, and the people in there. How old are you? I'm 18. yesterday. Oh my god.
Make contact with
Birthday girl.
another parent calling
Yeah.
disturbance. She's a beautiful.
It was the female. Our calling parties with the.
It's just expensive,
I
so
believe the Ball Association.
I'll drink it. We're gonna get out of
I
here.
believe she had a career.
What the fuck? Why didn't you have that drunk before you called the cops?
I don't know. Do you want to
Like, get it
arrest me?
It's not cool to be
Can
arrested,
you act
Kim.
mature?
Mature up.
Sorry, my bad. Wait, is
He need to call the cops on his damn self.
promise. What's up with the fucking
in the
what?
patio area.
Seriously? He has
Okay.
a fucking mustache.
Mouth. Let's get in the car.
No,
It's time to go.
You guys are,
Alright,
are
wherever.
gonna hang out for a minute, okay?
Okay.
So your driver, do you have a valid driver's license on you?
I mean, can I go in there and grab
You don't have it on you?
it? No. I just came out.
So I never got your side of the story, Kim.
What?
I never got your side of the story.
Wait, what would you like?
Okay, so
Oh.
so what happened with the kids?
That girl says she flipped them off. I don't think she did. She just throws that up.
I think my kids are cool.
Not your kids, and some
Oh.
other kids that you were yelling at.
I don't give fucks.
Obviously.
Okay,
Sorry, my bad.
I got you.
Kim, be nice.
What?
To the cop man, please be nice to him.
To this.
Respectful.
Maybe we're just waiting.
I see why they together. They act just alike. And the fact that the one tried to call the cops on the other is diabolical.
My kids are in
Are we just
there.
gonna wait on this?
So my children
Okay.
are in.
Okay, I want you to stand up right now, okay?
Bye-bye. Kim.
Alright.
I'll see you in the morning.
Turn around for me.
Oh, he said he'll see you in the morning? What the hell?
No.
Why would she ball her fist up at a cop?
It's fine right now. Please.
You're gonna start stacking up charges.
Arrested for anything? It's let him
Well,
go.
again, one more time, you're getting another charge for resisting, okay?
Yes. Stop it. I got you back, babe. I got you.
697.
Go ahead, Mark.
Both are clear, local county NCIC. Kimberly has a valid 43, clear OSBI. Ryan has a 10-12-43, 10-12 OSBI, 1 entry only.
Turn around. This way. Okay, do you have anything illegal on you?
Right now.
Okay, so if you tell me about it out here and I find it, it's most likely a misdemeanor. If it makes it into the jail, it's most likely a felony, okay?
Good.
Okay. Separate your feet for me. Wider. Thank you.
Things will be okay. It's just her wrists are just too small.
I can
Yeah.
do it.
She's got plenty of room in there. Okay. All right. Have a seat. Have a seat.
It's easier if you put your
Butt
behind it
first.
first.
Yep. There you go. Scoot yourself in with your feet.
Absolutely.
Kim, one more time. If you don't go in, you're getting a charge.
What a dumbass.
No.
I got any warrants?
Huh?
I'm good.
Where's the You got a driver with you?
Hey.
We have 4 other people. Good.
Okay, but you're not driving at all whatsoever.
I don't drive. I don't have a license. I got a DUI last 2 years ago. I fucked up.
Okay, you're driving?
Yes, I
Do you
am.
mind taking your hand out of your pocket because you have a knife in? Thank you.
I do have a
696.
That's fucked up. My boy got a DUI and over here got the nerve to call the cops on somebody.
There's that bag. It's best if you just get out of here, just take him away from the scene. I don't want to arrest him. Okay, he's just on the fence right now. If you're able to get him out of here, you're gonna save him from that jail time.
Thank you.
Okay, I don't want to see him in this area whatsoever. If you guys already paid, get out of here.
I'll go watch the car.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Hold on, what she was charged with?
Don't let me get arrested. So
Yeah.
she's going.
I suggest suggest you don't be in public the rest of the day until you sober up a little bit so that you don't go to jail for PI, okay?
All right. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. Oh, shit. Whew. Actually helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out.